Hold on, Shanghai! Typhoon Bebinca has arrived with a vengeance. On September 16th, the city is witnessing the fiercest storm in decades. With winds howling at an astounding 151 kilometers per hour, this beast rivals the infamous Typhoon Gloria of 1949. Shanghai is standing on the brink of an unimaginable disaster. Chaos has struck in an instant. Shanghai's 25 million residents are thrust into a crisis. The authorities are scrambling, but even their best efforts can't prevent the city from falling apart. Airports have been forced to close, and the streets have become raging rivers under the unrelenting downpour. The entire city is in a state of panic and disarray. Complete shutdown, the highways are now rivers, bridges have become unpassable, and public transport has come to a halt, leaving thousands stranded. Even the magic of Shanghai Disney Resort has been extinguished, its gates locked, casting a ghostly silence over the area. This is no ordinary storm. Shanghai is facing a full-blown catastrophe. Evacuation in full swing as Typhoon Bebinca draws closer. The city is in full panic mode. A red alert has been issued, signaling the highest level of danger, especially for the Chongming district. Families are being evacuated, but the timing couldn't be worse during the Mid-Autumn Festival, turning a time of joy into utter despair. Travelers left in limbo. Thousands are now stuck as flights are grounded and trains cancelled. The festive mood has been crushed under the weight of this monster storm, leaving Shanghai in a state of utter disruption and heartbreak. What was meant to be a joyous celebration has become a chaotic struggle. The ocean rages too. Bebinca's fury isn't just limited to land. The seas are in uproar. Ships have been ordered back to port, halting commercial and fishing operations dead in their tracks. The economic impact is already being felt as Shanghai's maritime activities come to a screeching halt. Widespread destruction. The damage on the ground is devastating. Trees are being uprooted, billboards torn apart, and debris is scattered everywhere. Homes and businesses alike are bearing the brunt of Bebinca's unrelenting assault. The scale of this disaster is truly shocking. Heroes on the front lines. Amidst the chaos, Shanghai's first responders are showing incredible bravery, battling against the elements to keep the city from total collapse. But the storm's wrath doesn't stop at Shanghai. Neighboring Zhejiang province is also facing its wrath, with giant waves battering the coastline, heightening the fears. An ominous sign, as Bebinca approaches, the sky over Shanghai has taken on an eerie purple hue. This unnerving sight is spreading like wildfire on social media, adding to the mounting anxiety as the city prepares for the storm's full force. Unprepared and overwhelmed, Shanghai, a city not typically in the path of such devastating storms, was caught off guard by Bebinca's sudden change in course. The aftermath is proving to be devastating. Will Shanghai be able to recover from this unforeseen disaster? Only time will tell if the city's strength can endure such a shock. ***.